Let's take a look some descriptive statistics from the given data set. There are very simple straightforward steps. Analyze descriptive statistics and frequencies, and depending on the types of data points you have, is it nominal, dichotomous, categorical, or the scale. You can simply choose and look at here ethnicity. Two data points are missing out of 75, 73 people total n, and you have gender, father education, and so for this is an example. And you can see the percentage. So let's do the similar descriptive statistics from my data points. Let's take a look the gender or birth or so. Here click on analyze and descriptive statistics, and you can look into frequency. So for my example, I want to look into gender. Let's say, where is that? That one is here. What age, your gender. So that's one, just highlight and click on here. And now display frequency table is already there. If you want to click on statistics, it does give you the mean, median, mode, and other things for the central tendency. You can select whichever you want, but I will leave it blank this time. And then chart, you can look into bar graph, pie chart, or histogram. I can go with the bar graph, let's say for example this one. And the other thing, you can leave it blank, click on OK. So right now, this is what you can see. You have 212 female and 121 as a male, and then one participant said the other. And this is what you can see. Since you have only one individual saying he's not, this individual is neither male or female, so you can remove, exclude from your analysis, because this is the one value as well missing. And just to make sure that your data points are good, so maybe you can remove the one. So you have you can see all the percentage: 63.3% female, 36.1% male. That's there. So how do we remove, and which one is this particular one? So for that one is simple. Just go back to your data points. So I am back to my data points here, and now go here. So since I do not need all of these variables, I think I cleaned that earlier, but let's forget that. Well, I am on the different page. Let me pause here. I'm back to my data file. So if I put my cursor over number 7, it says, what is your gender? That's the item I was looking earlier. So here, number 7, let me sort them. You can do ascending or descending. So let's do descending. So you have only one person who said 3. 3 means neither male or female. So I just click here and then right click and clear. So now I am going to see my variables, the data point 7. This one is male and female. So right now you have only 2. 2 stands for male, 1 for female. So that's what you have here. So that one particular thing, one particular individual who is neither male or female, I'm deleting it because 1 is not enough to run any statistical analysis. So now click on analyze and look into descriptive again, frequencies, and this time the variable called gender. Where is it? Current, it's a little up here. This item goes here and I click OK. So right now you have 212 female, 121 is a male and female. So you have 133 and 1 missing. And here you have 1 other. So we excluded that from our analysis. The other thing also, you can look into the variables, and the variables here, if you look into this one and click on here, you have 1, 2, 3. We do not have 3, so I remove it. So you have just 1 for female, 2 for male. That's okay. That's there to run descriptive analysis. So I just clean 1 variables. We can look the similar way. Are you a faculty of color? If I run descriptive analysis, descriptive frequencies, and this time I am taking the very last one. Are you a faculty of color? Here you go, and click OK. So here you have 60 yes, faculty of color, 227 no, and we have a full missing values. I hope you understand how to run descriptive analysis for the selected variables.